Audio-Technica is a name and brand that many audio enthusiasts are quite familiar with, so they know exactly what they're getting into whenever a new product comes to market. One of its latest offering is the Audio-Technica ATH-ANC700BT QuietPoint. They're a pair of wireless over-the-ear headphones, which, as its name happens to imply, features noise cancellation to block out ambient noise and keep your attention on the music. Retailing for $200, it's certainly in the upper echelon of the spectrum. But then again, that's what you sort of expect with such a distinguished name. We've tried out several Audio-Technica headphones, and while this one undoubtedly sports more of a modern and minimalistic design, it doesn't quite have the same level of substance with its construction. It's mostly comprised out of this matte black plastic material, giving it a more uniform looking appearance than some of its other designs. Yes, we like how they're super lightweight and fit snugly over our head when they're worn, but the all-plastic construction doesn't necessarily exude a design we'd expect something from Audio-Technica at this specific price point. Despite that though, we have to say that its audio quality manages to sound mostly pleasant, albeit it's definitely in the same category as most Beats headphones. That's because the emphasis is on the audio in the lower ranges, so if you're into heavy bass, this pair of over-the-ear headphones won't disappoint you. The highs may have less of a presence in the greater scheme of things, but at least its audio performance is robust and full. As for the noise cancellation part, it's okay enough to dull down most distractions around us, but we've experienced better performing headphones that do a significantly better job. Rounding things out, it also features a collapsible design that condenses into a smaller package for easier traveling. You have touch-sensitive controls built into the outside of the ear cup, and an auxiliary jack that allows it to easily convert into a wired pair of headphones when the situation arises that you need to go wired. Indeed, the $200 sticker price may be a concern for those who may be a little bit strapped for cash, but for the price and all, it's tough to complain about some of the shortcomings it may come along with. For starters, there are technically pricier headphones in Audio-Technica stable, so the $200 you may spend here isn't so bad versus the others ranging closer to the $500 mark. For a pair of headphones with noise cancellation and a bass-heavy performance, it's right there at the sweet spot. So if you guys want to learn more about the Audio-Technica ATH-ANC700BT QuietPoint, you can check out our website, PhoneArena.com. This is John V, signing off.